Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It, and this is my review of the Nike Hyperadapt 1.0. I had the opportunity, I got a bit excited. It's one of those, everyone's been there, those instinct buys where you think, oh shit, this is going to be my only chance to buy these. I was like, okay, I've never seen them in hand, I've never seen a pair up close, this is my first time having them in my hands. So this is going to be my honest review on these. I'll tell you off the bat, they're not worth the $619.99 that they ask for them. These contain their adaptive lacing technology, is what they also known as power laces or whatever you'd like to call them. So the trick in this shoe is that as soon as you put your foot in and you've pressed your heel down as you're standing up, they'll automatically adjust and tighten around your foot, giving you the perfect fit via these laces, or can't even call them laces, sort of bands I'd say. This is the Habanero red colorway, currently available via the Nike sneakers app. Still in stock, I think they got about a full size run. Came in this colour, wolf grey, and two digi camo colorways. So with these, as you can see, the upper it's not something we've seen before. It's not like Flyknit. It's not suede, it's not leather, it's just a canvasy sort of knit. Usually I'm used to seeing a better material used, but saying that, with the lacing technology in the shoe, I can't see there being a lot of options for what they can use. So when you hit the button here, just here, let's see if I can find it. So that will cause it to tighten, as you can see, and lighten them up. I mean, the best feature is the positioning of the lighting on these. It's just sick. Seeing them in pictures and people wearing them before this, I'd say I expected a lot more, especially for the money. I'd expect a lot more. In terms of breakthroughs in technology, I reckon these can help a lot of people. If you are going to buy them, go true to size. I've got an 8.5 in these. They're slightly big. I thought they'd run small for some reason, not sure why, so I went 8.5, but go true to size. So if you buy these with a pulse code, you get a good 20%, 10-15% off these. It'll make a huge difference off the retail pricing. See, overall it's very gimmicky in my opinion. I can't say the buttons are great on the side. They hit and miss, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But self-tightening around your foot, that works well. As soon as you stand up, they tighten right up. Then it's up to you how you want them after that. You obviously get a charging plug and charging wire, which I'll show you now. Two little things here. So there's a little magnetic plate at the bottom of these, which, let's see if I can show you, which will attach to the shoe, and it'll just sit and charge like that. Obviously they can be standing upright when they do that, but yeah, that's how they charge. And it comes with a little manual and a plug, and you've got the option to pick your EU plug or your UK plug when you're buying these, which helps. After having them in hand, trying them on, I can't say I wouldn't buy another pair. I'd say if the changes were made or something was different on the other pair, maybe some suede used somewhere, I'd definitely buy them. It's an awesome bit of kit. But if you've got the money to throw away, I'd say go ahead and buy them, because why not? Who doesn't want light up shoes, especially when you're an adult? Yeah, anyway, power lacing system works well. The shoe looks great when it's on your foot. Only argument is some material used aren't the best. The lighting up is great, the charging system's pretty cool as well. I'll have an on foot video coming after this, let us know what you think. And would you rock these, would you stock these? They're currently in stock at Nike, so sort of speaks for itself. Let us know what you think in the comments below.